Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Top Smile Tooth Cleaner. First, make sure your device is fully charged. A full charge typically provides several uses. Next, choose the correct cleaning head for your teeth and gums. Finally, rinse your mouth with water to remove any loose food particles before you begin. This preparation ensures an effective and comfortable cleaning experience. Now, let's move on to the cleaning process. Gently position the cleaning head on your tooth, being careful to avoid direct contact with your gums. Slowly guide the device across each tooth, ensuring you cover all surfaces, including the front, back, and chewing areas. Remember to use only light pressure. The Top Smile Cleaner is designed to work effectively without excessive force. After you've finished cleaning all your teeth, it's important to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. This helps to wash away any plaque or tartar that the device has loosened. Next, remove the cleaning head and rinse it under running water to ensure it's clean for your next use. Finally, store your Top Smile Cleaner in a dry, clean location, away from moisture. To get the most out of your Top Smile Cleaner, we recommend using it 2 to 3 times per week. For optimal hygiene and effectiveness, remember to replace the cleaning heads every 3 months. Always consult your dentist for personalized advice regarding your specific oral health needs. Regular use, combined with good dental habits, will help maintain a bright, healthy smile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.